The Indian government has taken a large piece of prime land, around 53 acres, next to Prime Minister residence in the Lutyens, Delhi. Now, this land was used by the Delhi Race Club for horse racing. Let me show you the visuals around. You can see the huge board which has been put across, and it says that Chetavni warning, ye bhumi एवं विकास कार्यालय LNDO भारत सरकार की संपत्ति है। इस भूमि पर किसी भी प्रकार का कब्जा, अतिक्रमण, निर्माण अथवा अन्य अवैध गतिविधि करना कानूनी अपराध है। Now this board has been put across in front of the Delhi Race Club here in the national capital, and the land belonged to the central government, and the race club's original lease started in 1926 and last expired at the end of 1994, and the government says that it was never officially renewed after that, and the club kept using the land and paying rent, but the government treated this as an unauthorized occupation. Now, in March 2026, the government asked the club to leave after legal proceeding. The state officer issued a formal eviction order on 11th August 2026, giving 15 days to vacate. Meanwhile, you can see that the official handover has happened today, and this is the latest visuals that we are showing you from the Delhi Racecourse Club, and the racecourse area has been formally handed over to the CPWD, and meanwhile the police personals, the Rapid Action Force, they are also present out here, and it has been formally handed over to the CPWD. Meanwhile, the authorities from the club, they had approached the Patiala House Court for a stay. In fact, the court also did not listen to them. The court refused to put a stay order, and after that they in fact approached the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court also rejected to intervene. Meanwhile, the central government has also issued similar notices of eviction to the Gymkhana Club as well as the other clubs in the national capital. With video journalist Satyendra Singh, this is Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary for Times Now. The Delhi Race Club has been officially handed to the CPWD today after a long legal battle. Now, behind me is the JCB, the bulldozer, which is currently in action. Now, the bulldozer is removing the fences on the area which are outside the club. Now, in total, this is 53 acres of land right next to Prime Minister's residence in Lutyens, Delhi, and the land earlier was with the Delhi Race Club, which was used for horse racing. Now, the central government had said that the lease was given to the club from 1926 to 1994, and after that there was no extension as far as the lease is concerned. Now the central government says this clearly means that the club authority have illegally occupied the 53 acres of land. Now that is the reason why we saw that it went to the courts in the national capital. The club authority went to the Patiala House Court for a stay. The court refused. Earlier they also went to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court refused to intervene. Meanwhile, heavy security deployment of Delhi police as well as other security personnels, the CRPF and the Rapid Action Force could also be seen on ground. And you can see the Vikrant vehicle, which is the logistic vehicle of the New Delhi District Police, which is also out here. And on the other side, the officials are also present. Several officials of the central government are also present. And today, the land has been officially handed to the CPWD. Now, the club authority have been saying that the rent have been paid to the central government, but the central government is very much clear that the lease extension has not been given. So under these circumstances, it clearly means that the land has been illegally occupied. Now, several other notices have been issued to other clubs in the national capital, like the Gymkhana Club as well. With video journalist Satyendra Singh, this is Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary for Times Now.